How to close a Bank of America account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. Closing a Bank of America account can be done through various methods, like in person, over a phone, or online. Here's how to close your account. First of all, close account online if available. Log into your Bank of America account and visit the Bank of America website using your credentials. Navigate to the Account Services and find the Account Services option after logging in. Look for the option to close your account within the Account Services section and follow the instructions provided to complete the closure, including identity verification. Ensure that you receive the confirmation of the closed account. And method 2 is closing the account over the phone. You have to contact the customer service, call the Bank of America's account closure number, and inform the representative of your intention to close the account. Verify your identity and your account ownership, and ask for the confirmation of the closure. The method 3 is closing the account in person. You have to visit the Bank of America branch, locate and visit a nearby branch, and speak to the bank representative. Notify the representative of your desire to close the account and provide the identification, like verifying your identity, and complete the closure form. Fill out any necessary forms needed. Finally, obtain the confirmation of the closure. The important considerations can be taken as ensuring all the transactions are cleared before closing the account, cancel any linked automatic payments or deposits, check for the other associated accounts that may require separate closure procedures, keep a record of your closure confirmation. By following these steps, you can successfully close your Bank of America account, and if you face any challenges, contact the Bank of America customer service for the assistance. So this was all about how can you close a Bank of America account. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.